there, slip on Bandits. Ain't quite blonde, still got the fresh. Just chilling in the boat, just chilling, hanging out. I had to give a quick little shout out though. My girl, C. Marty, for the inspiration on this video. You know, just chilling. Alright, let's get started. Let's get it poppin'. Pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes. We gotta have our pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes. We gotta have our pros and nukes. We got protons, neutrons, and betas too. When you put them together, call it nuclear glue. In the orbitals, the electrons go round and round. In order to find this, it was quite profound. Ernie had a good idea all in his head, put it in the books. This is what he said. The nucleus was small and dense. To find this, he had to use all of his sense. Pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes. We gotta have our pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes. We gotta have our pros and nukes. Even though it's not very large, it has a positive charge. The alpha particles are positive and repelled. We now know the nucleus is positive, or they would have been withheld. We learned this with the gold foil. Now Ernie was surely cooking with oil. The alphas were shot in and came back out. There was something there, without a doubt. Manchester University, call it Man U. Here Geiger and Martin found something new. And since there was the first discovered organelle, Ernie will surely bring this to show and tell. Pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes. We gotta have our pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes. We gotta have our pros and nukes. Alright, let the beat go. I'm not gonna drop back in right here. Alright, let's go. If the nucleus is unstable, then it's above 83. To this, my man Ernie would agree. If the nucleus is stable, there's no radiation. We're passing this test. Yeah, that's right, no remediation. The strongest nucleuses are the noble gases, and when it comes to the periodic table, we know all the masses. The weakest nucleuses are on the left, and since francium needs electrons, it commits a theft. Pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes. We gotta have our pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes. We gotta have our pros and nukes. The nucleus regulates the cell's activity, and then inside, it's a little festivity. Inside we got the nucleus that senses the cellular stress. Without this, the cell could turn into a mess. RNA, DNA are the nucleic acids in the cell membrane. Yeah, that'd be placid. It holds all the ribosomes together, no matter the weather, and the nucleus the mRNA is made, then off to the cytoplasm to get surveyed. When it comes to the nucleus, prokaryotes don't get a vote, because without a nucleus, you have no room to float. Animals and plants are the eukaryotes. We got flowers, birds, and even those crazy goats. Pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes. We gotta have our pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes, pros and nukes. We gotta have our pros and nukes. The nucleus is the brain of the cell, so take your cell and call Alexander Bell. With all this tough work, the nucleus is going insane in the membrane, just like Messi does for Barcelona and Spain. Even though the nucleus is getting big with all its proteins, and it's getting so small it can't even fit in its genes. But there's still enough room for gene expression. So goodbye, class. This is the end of the